You want to crush it in the content game, right? We're talking next-level videos that grab attention and rake in revenue. 2 words, InVideo.io and ChatGPT. These are your secret weapons. InVideo.io is a game-changer for video creation. Seriously, it's like having a professional editing team on speed dial. Templates, music, stock footage, it's all there ready to rock. And ChatGPT, this AI wordsmith will become your new best friend. It crafts killer scripts that keep viewers hooked. Combine these 2 powerhouses and watch out. You'll be pumping out high-quality videos faster than ever before. That means more content, more views, and more ways to monetize your hustle. This is how you win in 2025 and beyond. But hold up, we're not just talking theory here. We're diving deep into the how-to, the actionable steps, the nitty-gritty details. Get ready to transform your content creation process and watch those dollar signs roll in. Let's break down the magic formula for creating killer videos using ChatGPT and InVideo.io. First things first, ChatGPT. This AI is your scriptwriting secret weapon. Head over to chat.openai.com and start a new chat. Tell ChatGPT what kind of video you want. Be specific. Create an engaging YouTube script about the top 5 productivity hacks for entrepreneurs. See that? Detailed and actionable. ChatGPT will give you a script complete with an intro, outro, and those juicy hooks to keep viewers glued. Now for the fun part, bringing your script to life with InVideo.io. Log in and choose a template that matches your video's vibe. Then copy and paste your ChatGPT script directly into InVideo.io. Easy. From there, customize everything. Add images, music, transitions, and those cool effects that make your video pop. InVideo.io makes it incredibly simple, even if you're a total beginner. Remember, engaging visuals are key. Think about it. Viewers love dynamic content. Make it pop. Alright, let's talk money. You're putting in the work, creating awesome content. Now it's time to get paid. The beauty of online video is the insane earning potential. We're talking multiple income streams, all from doing what you love. First up, YouTube. This platform is a goldmine. Monetize your channel with ads and watch the revenue flow in. Build a loyal subscriber base and watch your influence skyrocket. But don't stop there. Affiliate marketing is another powerful avenue. Recommend products you love in your videos and include affiliate links. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Boom! Passive income, baby. And let's not forget sponsored content. As your channel grows, brands will come knocking. Partner with them to create sponsored videos and get paid for your influence. The possibilities are limitless. Section 4. Winning strategies. Optimize, scale, dominate. Here's the deal. Just creating videos isn't enough. You gotta optimize like a pro to stand out from the crowd. Think of it like this. Your video thumbnails are your storefront. They need to be eye-catching and instantly grab attention. Use bright colors, bold text, and intriguing images. Next up, SEO. This is crucial for getting your videos seen. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Think about what people are searching for and tailor your content accordingly. Branding is everything in the digital world. Be consistent with your visuals, messaging, and overall style. Create a strong brand identity that resonates with your target audience, and don't be afraid to scale. Once you've got a winning formula, find ways to streamline your production process. Batch create your videos, repurpose content across different platforms, and consider collaborating with other creators. Section 5. Time to execute. You got this. Listen up, entrepreneurs, creators, hustlers. The future of content creation is here, and it's powered by AI. InVideo.io and ChatGPT are your keys to unlocking unlimited potential. No more excuses. You have the tools, the knowledge, and the power to create incredible video content that generates real income. Take action, experiment, and don't be afraid to fail. The most important thing is to start. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.